Let's learn how to half swipe on Snapchat to read message without being it read. First is to open your Snapchat application and then just click on the message on the lower left or the bottom left of your phone. And there you can see that there's a new chat from the team Snapchat or anyone. So for them not to see or to know that you have read the message, all you have to do is to put your index finger next to the message and slowly move to the right. Now, as you do this, you can now see the messages on the left. So make sure it's very important to not leave your fingers. It should be pressing until you put this message back on the left to keep it unread by the sender. As you can see, there's no changes here. That person won't notice that you have read his or her chat already. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates to come.